Hello everyone. Today's video we will see what is isotropic and anisotropic. Okay, isotropic and anisotropic. So we have heard about so many times in solid state chemistry, right? Today we will come to know that what is isotropic and what is anisotropic, and we will differentiate it. We will draw it and then we will differentiate it. So for isotropics name itself, it is suggesting that something is like very similar. Okay, isotropic means something, the plane, okay, the plane or the crystal, okay, or the lattice, okay, or the solids having the plane, crystal or lattice is similar and arrangement, all the sides. Okay, what about anisotropic? Anisotropic, it's like something which is not similar. Okay, not similar arrangement. We'll discuss it in more detail. Okay, so it is in crystal or lattice. Okay, we'll draw it first. See, okay, so the arrangement, these are the positives. Okay, let me draw first all the positives and then I'll draw the negative. This is one type of crystal. Okay, this is another type of crystal where it is not well arranged. Okay, here it is well arranged and the positive. Now these are the negative. Okay, these are the negative. Okay, here also it is not well arranged. Done. Okay, so now you see two types of solid is there, you know, one is crystalline and another one is amorphous. Okay, so crystalline solid, what will happen, everything will be well arranged. Okay, in the long range form the molecules will be arranged, and in amorphous, okay, in amorphous solid what will happen, it is irregular. Okay, irregular arrangement. So now what we'll do, we'll draw two lines, we'll draw two lines. Okay, so just we'll try to draw two lines. One line is here, line A, and one line we will draw it like, okay, line B. A similar line we will draw it here, one line here A, okay, and similar line we will draw it here, B. Correct? So now you just see the difference. This one is for crystalline and this one is for amorphous. Correct? So now in crystalline what is happening? So if we draw this line, line A, you see the left hand side, what is there? The positives and negative and positive. Correct? Then right hand side, negative. See, this is positive, negative, positive. Right hand side, negative, positive, negative. Okay, if we are talking about this line B, this line B, what is happening? One side, this is the positive, positive and positive, and another side negative, negative and negative. So in crystalline solid it will be anisotropic. So the line A and line B both will have different properties. In line A it is alternative, positive, negative, positive, but in line B one side everything is positive, another side is everything negative. Correct? So this line A and line B both have different properties. Okay, line A and line B having different properties. Okay, we can say electrical properties or magnetic properties, both is having different properties. Okay, but here in this case line A or line B both having similar properties. How you see? See, in this line A, this is negative, this one is positive, then positive, then negative, this is negative, this is negative. Okay, if you are consider yellow is positive, so this will be positive, this is negative, and again this is positive. So see, negative, positive, positive, negative. Okay, and this side positive, negative, positive. So here it is irregular, means you can see for line A also whatever is coming, for line B also see negative, negative. Okay, negative, this side it is positive, positive. So for line B and line A, wherever you draw a line, if you want to draw another line, you see positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, positive. Okay, positive means it is, we can say wherever you draw a line, okay, whether it's A or B or C, everywhere similar properties you will get it. Okay, means it is that amorphous solid, it is having irregularities, that's why you won't get different properties from different line whatever you are drawing. Okay, so let me know if you are not getting through. So till now I guess this is fine. So let me know if you have any query. Thank you.